How does an LLM decide what to say next? Last video, attention let each token focus on the tokens before it to find its right location. By the time we reach the last token, its location reflects the whole prompt. That's the summary the model uses to generate the next token. Prediction is the final step. The LLM uses the location of the last token to pick the next one. We're showing one token per word for clarity, though as we saw in the first video, real tokens can be smaller pieces. Every possible next token, tens of thousands of them, has its own location. The model compares the last token's location to all of them and ranks them by how similar they are. The more similar the candidate, the higher its score. The model turns these scores into probabilities. The model picks one. Not always the top, it often samples from the distribution rather than just taking the most likely. That's why the same prompt can give you different responses. That randomness has a name, temperature. Low temperature, it almost always picks its single best guess, useful for code and consistency. High temperature, it spreads its guesses across more candidates, better for creative writing, where variety matters more than reliability. Yes, you heard it right. The model guesses the next token. It has no idea what cat or mat means. It only knows the patterns they appear in. That's the most misunderstood thing about LLMs. Now, let's see how the process would work with a prompt like, "What did the cat sit on?" Once a token is picked, it becomes part of the sequence, and the model runs the pipeline again, reusing the work it already did, so it stays fast. Pick, add, reprocess. That's how a response gets built, one token at a time, until the model picks a stop token, or hits a length limit, or you stop it. Your prompt in, your response out. Like we saw before, meaning lives in the location. The answer comes one pick at a time. How did the LLM learn all this geometry in the first place? That's training. Our next video,